CanDo is a set of tools built on top of Basecamp, a blog, a knowledge base, bulk actions, Zoom meetings, and more. Things you can't do in Basecamp out of the box. All inside the Basecamp you already know and love. Let me walk you through.
Hey, I'm Jason from IQTHINK. We make CanDo for Basecamp. Today, I'd like to show you how you can easily send one message to multiple projects on Basecamp with a tool that we call Broadcast. Let's say you have an important update that needs to go to multiple teams or clients. If you have clients on your Basecamp account, you would have to open each project, go to the message board, paste the message, post, and repeat for every single project. With CanDo, you write it once and you can send it everywhere. Let me show you how. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is go to getcando.com and we're going to log in. Obviously, you need a Basecamp account in order to be able to do this. And we're going to select the account that you want to use. We're going to use IQ Playground. And we are going to find a tool that is called Broadcast right here. Now, just for the sake of this demo, let's say that we already have this particular message and we are going to post it because we want to be able for this to go to many projects. So let's go ahead and post it. Now, at this point, if we wanted to move this to team 1 and team 2, we would have to manually go in here and either move it or most likely copy it one by one. Let's show you how to do it in CanDo. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and click on the broadcast tool. We're going to select the project. So in this case, we're going to choose the main project, which is our source. And then we're going to select the tool, in this case called message board. Here we see that we have that message that we created, the summer all hands meeting. We're going to go ahead and click there. And as we can see, the source's messages content will be copied and published as new to all these selected projects. We're going to go ahead and select team 1, team 2. You can also do it within the same project if you needed to. And if you have clients, you would be able to do client access. In this case, we're not using clients, so we're going to leave it off, but you do have that option. We're going to go ahead and click broadcast. And now if we go back in here, we're going to be able to see that if we go to team 1, we have summer all hands meeting, and team 2, same one, summer all hands meeting, just with one click. I hope you found that useful, especially if you're posting it to a lot of projects. We only selected 2 right here. You can do tens, you can do hundreds. Hopefully this makes that part of copying messages a little bit easier. If you liked what you saw and you want to be able to use CanDo, you can actually find us on Basecamp's website under integrations. We're right here, we're the first one there, or just go to our website at getcando.com. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.